This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Firmly apply the handbrake and, where applicable, engage park. Open the tailgate and lift the floor panel. Unscrew the retaining bolt and lift the spare wheel out. The jack and wheel brace are located beneath the spare wheel, as is the screw-in towing eye. Chock the wheel diagonally opposite the wheel to be changed. Using the special adapter for the anti-theft nuts, slacken the wheel retaining bolts half a turn each. Position the head of the jack under the reinforced section of the sill flange adjacent to the punctured wheel, then turn the jack handle until the wheel is raised clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the retaining nuts and remove the wheel. Place the wheel under the sill as a precaution against the jack failing. Locate the spare wheel over the studs and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Remove the punctured wheel and lower the vehicle to the ground. Fully tighten the wheel retaining nuts using the anti-theft adapter where necessary. Remove the wheel chocks. Stow the jack and tools in the spare wheel well, then secure them with the retaining bolt.